everybody, my name's Brianne, and today myself and Coach Chris are going to show you how to do some fun activities with the kids to make some crafts for outside out of simple household items. I want to show you how to make a really easy bird feeder that the kids can do as a fun craft. We can do it out of household items. This one's made out of a toilet paper roll and a pipe cleaner. Another way to do it is take a pine cone and wrap a pipe cleaner around the top so you can hook it in the tree. The next thing you do is get some peanut butter and smear it all over the outside. Peanut butter is made out of nuts, and birds like to eat nuts, so this is okay for the birds to eat. Once it's covered in peanut butter all the way around, sticky, we're gonna roll it in some bird seed. So I've laid it out in a paper plate for you. So we'll just roll it. And all the bird seed sticks to that sticky peanut butter. And now it's ready to go hang in the tree.
Hi everyone. I'm going to be showing you how to make a different kind of bird feeder. So what we're going to need is a part of an egg carton, 2 pieces of string, a hole punch, and some birdseed. So all we're going to do is take our hole punch and create 4 holes in the corner of our egg carton. Just like that. Okay, next we're going to take our string, and what I'm going to do is actually tie a knot in the middle like this. You can see that we have our string tied in the middle there, and just attach it to the corners of the egg carton. All right, now that we've got our string attached to our egg carton, all we need to do next is just fill it with some birdseed. Just like that. And now all we gotta do is find a place to hang it. Thanks for watching.